We good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so item number 6. A circle of radius 4 is inscribed in a right triangle. All the sides of the triangle have integer lengths, and one is the longest possible side of the hypotenuse, right? So first off, I drew a picture over here. So here's a circle, radius of 4, and here's the right triangle. Not very good drawing, but whatever. Okay, so I want you to find the longest possible side. So if you think of a right triangle, right? If you want to have the longest possible hypotenuse, you don't want to have like a 45, 45, 90, where like these sides are the same length right here. It would be better to have like a right triangle where like the one side is super long. That way you have a super long hypotenuse right here, right? So let me erase that real quick. So that's what I did. So what we know about this circle up here is that the radius is 4. That means the diameter is 8. So here, this is 8. And that means that this is 8. There we go. So if we have a right triangle with a circle inscribed in it with a diameter of 8, you can't have one side that's 8 length, right? Because then you couldn't draw a right triangle, it would just go straight out. So, I mean, you know that all the sides are integer lengths. So the next highest integer would be 9. So let's try 9 first. So it actually works, right? You can draw a picture of a right triangle with one of the sides has a length of 9 all the way to here. So now we just gotta find what the length of this is. Right. So to do that, we'll say, so we know the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? So we're going to say this is side A, this is side B, and that's C. Yeah, we'll say that's C. Okay. So we're saying A is 9. So 9 squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay. Well, 9 squared is 81. Right, we can simplify that. And of course, we can rearrange this. So we can say c squared minus b squared equals 81. And so we can actually factor this out because that's the difference of squares. So we can say c plus b times c minus b equals 81. Okay. So we have a product of two numbers equaling 81. So based off this, we can draw like possibilities of two integers that can be multiplied together to get 81. So I'll do a little like tree right here, a factorization tree. So 81. So what can get 81? We know 9 and 9, right? We also know 27 times 3 is 81. And then I think the last possibility is 81 and 1. Alright. But remember, keep in mind that we're trying to find the longest possible side. So look for the greatest number. So right now we know this is the greatest number, but we have to see which one works first, okay? So how can we get that to be 9 and that to be 9? We really can, because you can't have a number plus a number and a number minus a number and get 9. Doesn't really make much sense, right? So that doesn't really work. 27 and 3, I think we can do that. Right, so it's fine. So what plus what equals 27, and then that number minus what gets 3. So I'm thinking, so let's do that real quick. And then c minus b, oops, equals 3. I could do like a, I guess I'll do this to make it easier. So b minus b cancels out. 2c equals 30. C equals 15. So that means c is 15. We'll plug this back into here, in this equation right here. So we'll say 15 plus B equals 27, right? Because C is 15. Just solve for it. 27 minus 15 minus 15. You get 12 equals B. So 15 and 12. So this right here works. And we can check it. 15 plus 12 is 27. 27 times 15 minus 12 is 3. 27 times 3. So that works. Here's the last option. And if this works, this will be the answer because this is the highest number. So how can we get 81 and 1? So let's do the same process here. So we'll say C plus B equals 81. And then C minus B equals 1. Same process, elimination. So let's add them up. Cross that out. 2C equals 82. Divide by 2 on both sides. C equals 41. Okay, and then we'll plug 41 back into this equation right here. 41 plus B equals 81. Wait. Yeah, sorry. So subtracting 41 on both sides. You get 40 as B. I'll make sure that works. So 41 plus 40, that's 81. 41 minus 40, that's 1. And that's what lines up right here. So this works. And since C is that hypotenuse, since 41 is the greatest number, right? Because 41 is bigger than 15, and that didn't work out. The answer is 41. So that's your hypotenuse right there. And that's your answer.